Welcome to ZooTube, and in today's video, we'll be talking about what happens when you run every day for 30 minutes. The mysteries of animal communication and language. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the... Communication is a complex and fascinating phenomenon that is not limited to humans. Throughout the animal kingdom, various species have developed unique ways to convey information, interact with their environment, and establish social connections. From vocalizations and chemical signals to visual displays and tactile interactions, animals employ a wide range of communication methods that continue to captivate scientists and researchers. In this blog, we will dive deep into the mysteries of animal communication and language, exploring the diverse strategies employed by different species to communicate effectively. By understanding these remarkable abilities, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and diversity of the natural world. 15. Vocal communication. Vocalizations are one of the most prevalent and recognizable forms of animal communication. Many species, such as birds, mammals, and amphibians, use distinctive vocal signals to convey a variety of messages. Birds, in particular, are renowned for their melodic songs, which serve multiple purposes, including attracting mates, defending territory, and signaling danger. The complexity and diversity of bird songs are remarkable, with some species capable of mimicking sounds and developing unique repertoires within their populations. 14. Chemical communication. Chemical signals, often in the form of pheromones, play a significant role in animal communication. These chemical cues carry information about reproductive readiness, territorial marking, and social status. Ants, for example, utilize pheromones to establish trail networks and coordinate their activities within the colony. Similarly, many mammals rely on scent marking to communicate their presence, mark boundaries, and convey information about dominance and reproductive status. 13. Visual displays. Visual displays are a prominent means of communication among animals, particularly during courtship rituals and social interactions. Vibrant plumage, elaborate dances, and intricate body language are used by many species to attract mates, establish dominance, and convey intentions. The courtship displays of birds of paradise, with their mesmerizing array of colors and movements, are a stunning example of visual communication in the animal kingdom. 12. Electric signals. In aquatic environments, some species have evolved the ability to communicate using electric signals. Electric fish, such as electric eels and electric rays, generate electrical discharges to navigate their surroundings, locate prey, and communicate with conspecifics. These electric signals vary in frequency, intensity, and duration, conveying different messages and meanings to facilitate social interactions and environmental awareness. 11. Echolocation. Echolocation is a remarkable adaptation used by certain species, including bats, dolphins, and some whales. By emitting sounds and listening to the echoes that bounce back, these animals can create mental maps of their surroundings, locate objects, and communicate with conspecifics. Dolphins, renowned for their complex vocalizations, use a combination of clicks, whistles, and body postures to convey messages and coordinate group movements. 10. Tactile communication. Physical touch and body contact are essential forms of communication in many animal species. Grooming, hugging, rubbing, and other types of tactile interactions serve to establish and strengthen social bonds, convey comfort or reassurance, and coordinate group activities. Primates engage in social grooming to promote social cohesion, establish hierarchy, and build trust within their groups. Elephants, known for their deep social bonds, use tactile communication to express emotions and provide comfort to one another through trunk touches and gentle nudges. 9. Dancing and movements. Some animals communicate through intricate movements and dances, which convey information about resources, mate availability, or territorial boundaries. Honeybees perform a waggle dance to communicate the location of food sources to their hive mates. By utilizing specific patterns of movements, such as direction and duration, bees can communicate information about the distance and quality of the food source. This unique form of communication allows bees to efficiently share vital information within the colony. 8. Tool use and gestures. Tool use and gestures are observed in certain animal species, highlighting their ability to communicate through actions and physical cues. Great apes, such as chimpanzees and orangutans, exhibit impressive tool-using skills, employing sticks, rocks, or other objects for various purposes, such as obtaining food or accessing hard-to-reach places. These tool-use behaviors not only serve functional purposes but can also communicate intentions and facilitate social interactions within their communities. 7. Olfactory communication. The sense of smell plays a significant role in communication for many animals. They use chemical cues present in urine, feces, or other secretions to convey information about reproductive status, social hierarchy, and territorial boundaries. For instance, canines mark their territories with urine, leaving scent markers to communicate ownership and deter potential intruders. Similarly, many mammals use scent-based communication during courtship rituals, allowing individuals to recognize and select suitable mates. 6. Posture and body language. Posture and body language are powerful tools for communication in the animal kingdom. From the submissive crouch of a dog to the aggressive display of a threatened animal, postures and gestures convey messages about dominance, submission, aggression, and fear. Wolves, for example, use a combination of body postures, facial expressions, and vocalizations to establish and maintain social hierarchies within their packs. These visual cues play a crucial role in maintaining group cohesion and minimizing conflicts. 5. Vocal mimicry. Some animal species possess the remarkable ability to mimic sounds and vocalizations of other species or even human speech. The African gray parrot, for instance, is renowned for its exceptional mimicry skills, able to imitate a wide range of sounds, words, and even complex sentences. Mimicry serves various purposes, including attracting mates, defending territory, and establishing social bonds. 4. Synchronized behaviors. Certain animal groups exhibit synchronized behaviors, also known as collective movements or swarming. For example, flocks of birds flying in perfect formation or schools of fish moving in unison create visually stunning displays. These coordinated movements not only serve as a means of communication, but also provide benefits such as predator evasion, improved foraging efficiency, and social cohesion within the group. 3. Nonverbal vocalizations. In addition to complex songs, animals produce a wide array of nonverbal vocalizations that convey specific messages. Dogs, for instance, use different types of barks to communicate various intentions, such as alerting their owners to potential threats, expressing excitement, or seeking attention. Similarly, primates have a range of vocalizations including grunts, hoots, and screams, which serve to communicate emotions, establish social bonds, and warn of potential dangers. 2. Environmental adaptations. Animals have also developed communication strategies that are specifically adapted to their environments. For instance, certain marine mammals, such as whales and dolphins, use low-frequency calls that can travel vast distances in the underwater environment. These long-range vocalizations allow them to communicate and maintain contact with other members of their species over large distances, despite the challenges of the aquatic environment. 1. Cultural transmission. Some animal species exhibit cultural transmission, wherein knowledge and behaviors are passed down from one generation to another through social learning. This transmission of information plays a crucial role in the survival and adaptation of certain groups. For example, in certain populations of chimpanzees, specific tool-use behaviors have been observed to vary across different communities, suggesting cultural transmission of knowledge and skills. In conclusion, animal communication and language encompass a rich and diverse range of methods that enable species to navigate their social interactions, convey information, and thrive in their respective environments. Whether through vocalizations, chemical signals, visual displays, tactile interactions, or other forms of communication, animals exhibit remarkable abilities to express themselves and understand their surroundings. Studying and understanding these intricate communication systems not only deepens our appreciation for the natural world, but also offers insights into our own human communication and language development. The exploration of animal communication continues to be an exciting field of research, shedding light on the intricate complexities of the animal kingdom. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.